Alaikum. Today here I want to explain and tell you how to install the digital campus for parents to view the result of students. So first of all you have to click on Google Apps. In Google Apps click on Play Store. In Play Store in search box type DC parent. As you click here and click on search, you will see that on top of the list Digital Campus Parents V3. You have to click it for installation. It will ask you to install it. It will not ask you any other questions or queries while installing on your mobile. It will direct install. Once it is installed, it will give you the option to open or uninstall. You have to click on open, and also you can see here on the screen that this app is installed. Here you can click it this icon, and the same way it will open on the screen. The first thing it will ask you after installing is school code. The Pakistan International School Code is PIS Doha. PIS Doha. Type on it and click or tab on submit. Now Pakistan International School, the first screen, the login screen will appear. Now here you will use or enter username and password. Parent ID is the username and password is also you have to enter it. This username and password, for this username and password you can ask your child's class teacher. They will send you in WhatsApp message privately. So it is a unique for all students and all parents. That's it. This is how to install and use the DC Parent Digital Campus Parent application for to view the result of your child and see the other progress and other menus.